This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make red coleslaw. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 small head of red cabbage, 2 medium carrots, and 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Also, prepare 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. These simple components will create a delicious and visually appealing side dish. Ensure all vegetables are fresh for the best results. Now, let's prepare the vegetables. Start by finely shredding your red cabbage. A mandolin slicer or a sharp knife works well for this, aiming for thin, consistent strips. Next, grate your 2 medium carrots. You can use the large holes of a box grater for this step. Once shredded and grated, combine both the cabbage and carrots in a large mixing bowl, ensuring they are well mixed. Next, we'll create the creamy dressing that brings everything together. In a separate small bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix thoroughly until the sugar dissolves and the dressing is smooth. Taste and adjust the sweetness or tanginess to your preference. Finally, it's time to combine everything. Pour the creamy dressing over your shredded cabbage and carrots in the large bowl. Using tongs or a large spoon, gently toss the mixture until all the vegetables are evenly coated with the dressing. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and chill the red coleslaw in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy this colorful and refreshing side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.